Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off flash notifications for incoming calls from your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. When you receive incoming call, if you get flash notifications for both the screen and for camera flash, this is flashlight notifications. While I receive incoming call, it is glowing. If you would like to turn off this flashlight notifications, yes, you can do it. What you can do, just go to the settings of your phone first, then go to accessibility, and go to advanced settings, and here select flash notification and turn off this option, camera flash notification and also screen flash notification. Now if you receive any incoming call, you will not get any flash notification. See here, I am receiving a call now, and there is no screen flash, and also in the back side there is no flashlight notification. So in this way you can easily turn off flashlight notifications for incoming calls from your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.